Hi guys, and thank you so much for visiting this channel. Today we will cook one of my favorite treats, rich and creamy chocolate ice cream. This recipe calls for just 3 ingredients, so let's get started. In a large bowl, whip 240 milliliters of heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Add 120 milliliters of condensed milk, 30 grams of cacao powder, and beat until incorporated. Transfer mixture to a container, cover it, and place in the freezer for at least 5 hours. You can also sprinkle some chocolate on top, but it's optional. And as simple as that, our chocolate ice cream is ready. Bon appetit!